What are you doing, Stevens?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna catch it in this thing.
What are you gonna catch?
Wait, what? Now what are you gonna do with it?
And then we're gonna go like that.
Alright. Alright, go for it. I'm gonna be back here.
Oh
Dude, that thing is ginormous.
scared.
It's bigger than my
thing's
hand.
big, dude.
It's bigger than my hand, man.
Can we just whack it?
That thing bit me. Alright.
Look how long its legs are.
Dude. The water like...
Pull yourself together!
The water... I just dropped juice on my ankle. I was like crawling over.
Maybe she knows what to do.
Excuse me, madame.
Abue!
Can I just catch this thing? I got this thing. This is all mine.
Ah!
Look at that thing.
Oh, it's gone in defense position.
Yeah, that's like a...
That thing's ready to strike, dude.
Yeah, it is ready to strike you.
Oh, dude, it's gonna
Back it
like
outside?
shoot venom into my eyeballs or something.
You can just...
Whoa! Shh.
Oh,
Yes,
it.
a little
It's
concerned
war
for your
now.
safety. It's you against him right now, buddy.
Now it's...
No, just whack it. Be...
oh, dude, that thing is in.
Oh my God.
It's just bleeding all over our bed, dude.
Hey, get the...
You're gonna have to hit it again. You're gonna have to hit it again.
Hand me that, hand me that, hand me that.
Again. Smash it. Smash it. Harder.
Oh,
The thing's still moving around.
It is.
Oh, sh...
Oh, the lid's on, the lid's on, the lid's on.
Oh.
Oh!
Just bled all over our bed.
I told you that was gonna happen, dude. Oh, F.